How to change display name on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through steps on how you can change your display name on Roblox. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to change your display name on Roblox, first thing you need to log in into your Roblox account. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see your gear icon. Click on it. As you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to My Settings or Settings page, and under it, you'll be able to see list of options along with your account info. Under account info, you'll be able to see your username, and just next to it, there is an icon or the tool. You need to click on it. As you click on it, a pop-up appears right in center. First of all, you need to enter the desired username that you want to change or replace with. And then you also need to type in the password associated with your Roblox account. Once you're done entering your desired username or replacing it, then click on buy, which is right at the bottom. And if you have 1000 Robux in your Roblox account, then you've successfully changed your username or your display name. So you'll also be notified with this kind of statements that you successfully changed your username, and then click on OK. So you can change your username as often as you want, but be aware that every change might cost 1000 Robux. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.